Many state governments are trying to procure vaccines directly from vaccine manufacturers to speed up the vaccination drive. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that Pfizer and Moderna, the US pharmaceutical giants, have refused to sell COVID-19 vaccines to the Delhi government as they want to directly deal with the center.
हमारी फाइजर से बात हुई। फाइजर वाले कहते हैं जी आपको नहीं देंगे, हम केंद्र सरकार से बात करेंगे। हमारी मॉडर्ना से बात हुई। मॉडर्ना वाले कहते हैं जी हम आपको नहीं देंगे, हम केंद्र सरकार से बात करेंगे। मेरी केंद्र सरकार से हाथ जोड़ के अपील है कि हमारा देश ऑलरेडी काफ़ी समय लूज़ कर चुके हैं, हम लोग काफ़ी समय हो चुका है, तो अब हमें और समय नहीं गंवाना चाहिए। ये कोई भी विदेशी कंपनी जो है, अब तो कई सारी वैक्सीन आ चुकी हैं इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में, जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन है, मॉडर्ना है, फाइजर है और भी बहुत सारी हैं। तो इनसे सबसे केंद्र सरकार बात करके केंद्र सरकार इनसे सारा इंपोर्ट करे और राज्यों के अंदर बांटे।
The Delhi Chief Minister's claim came after Punjab government on Sunday said that vaccine manufacturers refused to sell vaccines directly to the state government. Kejriwal further said that the second wave of COVID-19 is declining gradually and the Delhi government has started preparations for a third wave. Meanwhile, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said that all the vaccination centers in the national capital were closed because of the unavailability of vaccines. Sisodia also thanked the union government to approve more vaccines. I urge the center to not make this vaccination program a joke, approve Pfizer and Moderna on a war footing. Rather than asking states to approach these companies, it should not happen that by the time we get the vaccines, the time comes that even the antibodies of those who have been vaccinated are finished and they will again require vaccination. The Delhi Chief Minister earlier wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi asking him to increase the vaccine supplies to the national capital. He said that Delhi needs over 80 lakh vaccine doses a month but received only 16 lakh doses in May. The Delhi government on Sunday extended the lockdown till May 31. Delhi's COVID-19 positivity rate, which was over 30% in April, is now at 2.5%.